In this video, we will look at our business problems and the business metrics in our opportunity canvas. So starting with the business problems is when you're running a business, these opportunity canvases can be used for an existing business. If we think in the software industry where perhaps you have an app and you want to gain more attention to your app, you don't have enough users, the first step of getting the users onto your app is to get their attention to the app. So that can be potentially a business problem that you want to solve with the overall feature in the canvas. For this specific example, we're thinking of a startup company that's trying to get their first product developed. So really the business problem that they're trying to solve here is cash flow. I also added another business problem. Perhaps this business is trying to raise their first round of venture capital. So in order to do that, they may have enough angel investors to get the product bootstrapped, but now they need to start higher level of production. Therefore, they need to get their first round in. For our business metrics, we need to understand what the success looks like for this product. What are we changing? What objectives are we attempting to achieve within the business? And how are we actually measuring that? So the business metric that we can use here, let's do an increase of sales. So we want to hit a certain level of sales that would prove profitability for this particular item. Now this comes down to the strategy. Is the strategy of the business to sell the items and generate the profit, or sell enough of the first version of the items to prove the concept and show growth where we can potentially raise a second round on an updated version 2. So the business metrics here could be a number of units sold. Let's make up an arbitrary number. So what I've done here for this business is based on some analysis, and this is an assumption at this point just to keep it simple, is we want to sell 1,000 units of this item. Once we have 1,000 units, we will consider this profitable for the first version that goes out. Other businesses may have different metrics that they're attempting to achieve. For example, if we are doing this, let's take an example of a business that wants to increase employee engagement through a program that the canvas will describe. Then what we could look at as a business metric is on your employee engagement survey that you actually increase your position from the last time you've done the survey. So just say last time you had 65% employee engagement and you're looking to get up to 67 or 68, then that would be the business metric that you're attempting to achieve. So your canvas will be successful when you actually achieve that particular business metric. And that's when we do a retrospective of the project after delivery and let enough time pass for that delivery to take hold to give a measurable sample back, then we can test that against the business metric.